Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we're making fish tacos. Let's do it. This is inspired to do tacos, so I thought I'd do some fish ones. So I got some free fish from work and some nice cod. So we'll do that and make some fish tacos. Yeah, so we're gonna bake the cod in the oven. Grab a grease pan, lovely cod, get it on the tray. Gotta season it up. Pepper, a little bit of salt, onion powder, garlic powder, I think a little bit of smoked paprika, a little bit of dill, season both sides, and you want to toss into a 370-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Then you'll have some lovely fish. Getting the cod chopped up. Nice looking cooked cod, okay. Very flaky, that's what you want. Show you how we'll serve your taco. Just heating the tacos up. They're all nice and hot, perfect. Okay, we're gonna make a quick little fish sauce. Very easy, about a half a cup of mayo. Roughly about the same amount of sour cream. A little bit of lemon juice, minus the seeds. About a teaspoon of Sriracha sauce. A little bit of minced garlic, salt, pepper, and there's your fish sauce. Mix it all up. Give it a taste. I think it needs a bit more Sriracha. Show you how we'll build our tacos. Fish sauce, a little bit of that on there. A little bit of the cod, a little bit of avocado, some tomatoes, red onion, a little bit of mango. I was thinking more like for sweetness, touch of cilantro, fresh Parmesan cheese. That's the cheese I had, so give it a go. I'm sure it'll be delicious. Give them a try. Let's give the tacos a try. Are some amazing tacos. Everything works really well together. The sweetness from the mango and everything is perfect. Awesome fish tacos. Fish tacos. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, love you, and do make some fish tacos. This is my knitter. Bye.